So hey guys, today we are taking a look at a new watch that you all have been waiting for me to review. But first of all, let's unbox it and take our first impressions on it. Before we move further in the video, I would request you to hit the subscribe button on this channel for the future unboxings, and if you want to check out the full feature reviews, then make sure to subscribe to the main channel. You can find its link in the description box below. So here's how the new box looks like. We have the Hello Plum 26 written here. And if you look at the back, we have the H26 Pro Plus written here. So now let's open it. The experience is now similar to the Apple Watch. We have two boxes here, one for the straps and one for the watch. First of all, let's get the watch band out. We get the silicone strap inside the box. And here's the smartwatch box. We get the USB-A wireless charger here and an user manual. And after that, here is the smartwatch. Let's take off the plastic wrap. So let's turn it on, and here it is. First of all, let's select the language, and after that you can pair it with the smartphone. I'm gonna do it later. Then here is the date and time setting, and here is the first look on the smartwatch. Let's use the straps. So I've heard a click, which means the strap locks are working quite well, and the straps won't come out until you press this button and then push the straps out. The grip is really good, as you can see here. So like most of the Apple Watch alternatives we've got these days, this one also comes in a glossy frame, and here is a closer look at it. And this smartwatch also comes with the real always on display option like the Apple Watch, and the always on display on all of the watch faces will be similar to the watch face. Let me show it to you on another watch face. Let's go with this one, and here's how it looks like. Let's find a brighter one. I'm not sure if you are able to see it or not. And let's go with this one, and here's how it looks like. Let's try on this one, and here's how the always on display looks like. It works for all of the themes of the watch faces. It's quite amazing. Obviously, we will take a look at all of the new always on display styles and the new watch faces in the full review coming very soon on the main channel, so make sure you are subscribed there. And the little things that I appreciate about the Hello Plum, the display won't go off immediately. You will see that there will be a little fade out transition when it's going off, just like this. We have the new UI. Here's the widgets page, then the notification center. There's nothing from left to right, and also nothing from right to left. And using the crown key, you can access the widgets page as well as the notification center. Then we get the new control center here, and here is the menu style. Here is the list view. Let's scroll all the way down to the cellular menu style, and here's how it looks like. It's looking quite good and a lot smoother compared to the H16 Pro. Some applications also have the new UI like the sport modes. If you look at the dial pad, it looks like the older models. We have alarm, stopwatch, calendar, and many applications given here. If you go to the App Store, it is showing many applications. Looks like they can be installed using the network sharing option. So this was the first look on the new H26 Pro Plus. So guys, the full review is coming very soon on the main channel, so make sure you are subscribed there, and you can subscribe to this channel for the future unboxings. What are your first impressions of the Hello Plum H26 Pro Plus? Let me know about it in the comment section below. I will see you in the comment section of the full review coming very soon on the main channel.